How to create a rough diamond pattern design very quickly in Affinity Photo. Go to the Tools panel and select the Diamond tool. There's the Diamond tool, and I'm going to apply it with red colour. You can set it to green, blue, etc. via the fill. And just apply. Next step, turn it into a pixel layer, and you can do that via Layer and Rasterize. I'm just going to go over here. Now I could use any of these other paint brushes, but I'm just going to use this one, the Paint Mixer brush. And it's using this colour. And I'm just going to apply it to this pixel design. So just going to quickly just apply it. And what happens, just by applying it very lightly, you don't have to, and you can select any of these brushes. A whole range of different brushes are available. Just use one of those and just make a very rough edge to it. Just a great way of converting a vector design into a slightly more rougher design. Now if I apply the brush stroke out there, you end up with that sort of splodge over there. I don't want that. Just want it around the edge. Make certain it's gone all the way around. And you can of course modify it for select a different one and apply a different brush and so on. And you can create a variety of different edges. So you've got your diamond design there. Next thing to do is turn it into a pattern. So long as it's been selected, you can see the selection there. Then you can go up to Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. Now you've got a pattern layer where you can resize this. Of course, you've still got the original layer, so I can just delete those. I've just got an earlier layer as well. So now all I've got is the pattern layer. So with the pattern layer, I can now resize it and much more. However, what I can also do is hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate it. Just duplicate it like that and just drag it up there. So now I've got obviously this red diamond design. But I can also recolor this. Just quickly go over here to a Layer and New Adjustment Layer. Just go down here to Recolor. So recolor, and I can just change the color. And however, you will notice what happens. All of the colors change. So you can just go through that, just tweak it. But I don't want them to all be blue, because you notice over here in the layers, it's above everything else. What you can do, select that recolor adjustment and simply just drag down and make certain you get that little marker there, it just pops up and release. And now it's associated only with that pattern. So you've got that and that. Now you can select both of those. So you've got that pattern and that pattern selected. And you can resize it. You can resize it in numerous ways. But also what you can do is you can merge them. You make them all one pattern layer. So go to Layer and Merge Selected. So Merge Selected will convert them all into a single pattern design. And now, of course, you can resize that, rotate it, and do that, and so on and so on. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.